are back in my keto kitchen, keto naturopath kitchen, and today I'm making a recipe. I've never made it before, and it's actually not my recipe. There was a recipe that came up on my news feed. It might have been a promotional ad or whatever, and I thought, hey, that's clean keto. And the recipe was from Grandma's Delicious Recipes, and it was just on my feed, so I don't have a link to it, but I will put the name Grandma's Delicious Recipes if anybody wants to check it out. I did actually go to the website, and this was the only keto recipe on there. And it's crab rangoons. So it's keto crab rangoons. It's very dairy heavy, so it's not something I would make often. But I have 8 ounces of cream cheese and 4 tablespoons of butter that have been softened. And I'm going to mix those together. And if I were to make it again, I'd probably make it my own recipe, do a little out of this, a little out of that. It does call for chopped onions, so I did chop some onions, but I think in this recipe, actually onion powder might work better rather than having the chopped onions. So we have the butter and the cream cheese mixed pretty much. They'll continue mixing with all the other stuff. And to that you add 4 ounces of crab meat, which I have already weighed out, and 3 ounces of diced onion. Now that's where I might alter it and do onion powder because you don't really cook the filling that much and you're going to get some raw onion and then a dash of salt. So I'm going to mix all of this up together. I have actually never had a real crab rangoon, so I don't know what they taste like. But I thought, hey, that's a clean keto recipe. I'm going to try it. Now she used thin sliced mozzarella cheese. I couldn't find anything really thin sliced. I just got sliced mozzarella. And I thought this might actually be great with thinly sliced provolone. So I have the oven preheated to 375. So we're going to put these in the oven on parchment paper until the mozzarella gets bubbly and browned. She doesn't say how long. I'm going to say about 5 minutes. Maybe I'll just keep checking it. So I'm going to put it in a 375-degree oven. And we'll be back when they're bubbly and brown. So I just want to welcome you back to my kitchen, but I have something that I want to share with you. Mother's Day is coming, and this is a great gift whether your mother is keto or not. These are chocolates. They are Goals chocolates. I love them. I will not recommend any product unless I've tried it and loved it. So these chocolates are amazing. And look at the box it comes in for your mother. It's with a little, flower, mom. They're black boxes, different boxes, branded boxes, which their branded boxes are very nice. These are the chocolates I got for Valentine's Day, and it was a similar package. But again, it was for Valentine's Day, so I got the black branded. But it comes packaged very nicely. Here's the inside of how it is packaged. Now, for Valentine's Day, I got pistachio, hazelnut, and sea salt. And for Valentine's Day, I got coconut, almond, and I got another sea salt just because I love sea salt and dark chocolate. So we'll put the sea salt behind there. I have not tried them because it's not Mother's Day yet, and I'm saving them for my Mother's Day. It's going to be quite a treat. So these are all the chocolates that I have. Another sea salt back here. They're absolutely delicious, but it goes so well with a bottle of red dry farm wine. Dark chocolate and red wine go really well together. And this Mother's Day, I will be having some dry farm wine and some Goals chocolate. Again, your mother does not have to be keto. These are delicious whether you're keto or not, but keto, great, won't impact your blood glucose. And what I like, actually, they come in little discs. And supposedly 3 discs are 1 serving. But if you're just craving something and you want a little bit of chocolate, 1 disc is all I need and I'm satisfied. So rather than opening up a big bar and saying, okay, I get 1 square or whatever, 1 disc of Gold's chocolate and you'll be happy. So happy Mother's Day to you and your mom. So the mozzarella slices were in the oven for about 5 minutes. You can see they're browning on the edges, they're bubbly. So now we're going to put some crab mixture in the center of each one. You want them enough so that you're not eating just cheese, but not so much that you can't flip it over. So now you flip it over. You press down the sides to seal them. You're supposed to seal the sides. I don't know how the sides can seal. Maybe I waited too long and it cooled off too much. And now you put them back in the oven to warm up the filling and perhaps seal these sides. So I'm going to guess 2 minutes. So I'm going to put them back in the oven, again 375 for 2 minutes, and we'll be back to try them. So they were in the oven for 2 minutes and they actually came out better than I thought they would. It's sealed. It looks good. I only made 4. I'm guessing this might make 10 or 12. I'm not sure, but okay, let's try it. That is really good. Again, I would try it with provolone cheese, try it with different cheeses, try it with thinner slice. I'm not sure. Part of me is like, if it was any thinner, how would we be able to flip it over? But this is really good. Try it.